Alrighty. Zoe. All right, I just finished 307 days of doing yoga in a row. And I do yoga every morning at 5:30 a.m. to 6 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, Arizona time. And I just want to take this time to share a meditation from the Quran. And it's from chapter 13, verse 28, which states, "Verily, in the remembrance of Allah, do hearts find rest." In other words, just remember God, and your heart will find rest. That's simple. Meditate on that verse, know that truth, and your heart will find rest. That's all I wanted to share. So, peace and love.